Hey there, it's Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate, and today we're going to be diving into the 7 essential steps for professional home photography so that we can make sure that your home really shines in today's market. And high quality photos can make all the difference when you're trying to attract potential buyers and obviously helping your home sell faster and at the best possible price. Now don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and please reach out to us at Domaille Real Estate if you're ready to sell your home or you have questions about the process in general. We are here to help. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty here in Rochester, Minnesota, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'd love to hear your comments, and especially I'd love to know where you're watching from, so put that down below. Now let's talk photography. Start with a clean and decluttered space. When you clear off countertops and cabinet tops and shelves and you remove all of that clutter, everything feels bigger. When you think about looking at a picture this big, all of that little stuff really muddies the water, so to speak, and it is very distracting. Second, remove personal items like family photos or collections. Again, we want to create a space where buyers can really see themselves in the home and in the space, and if they're constantly being reminded of you and your things, it's going to be really hard for them to do that, okay? We also want to create a neutral and really inviting environment. And what I mean by that, let's reduce bright colors and crazy patterns. Neutral color palettes are just very easy for someone else, again, to see themselves in that space. Now, you also want to maximize your home's natural light. So open up the blinds and the curtains and let the sun shine in, okay? It's just gonna be a way more inviting space when it's nice and sunny. Also, make sure that you guys clean your windows so that number one, we can get that maximum brightness, but so that they look clean, right? That's gonna be one thing that people will notice right away. If you can have the professional photography done during daylight hours, that's best. Now, stage key areas of your home so that you can show their potential. And what I mean by that is arranging furniture in rooms so that it is a functional layout and that it opens walkways. Sometimes when you have to walk into a room and walk around something or a corner is jutting out, it just makes it feel a little compact and really hard to get around that space. You can also add some fresh flowers or, again, that neutral decor. That's going to help things feel fresh, bright, cozy, inviting, and then again, keep it warm but minimalist. We don't want a ton of knickknacks and whatnot. Again, when you look at a small picture, very distracting. Even when someone's in your home in real time, can be very distracting if you guys have a lot of stuff all over. Now, invest in a professional equipment or hire a skilled photographer. Use wide-angle lenses for better shots. That way you're going to get the maximum space covered in a picture. And high-resolution images are going to create really stand-out listings, okay? I don't want to see you guys with an iPhone, taking pictures. Professional expertise is always going to ensure quality. These guys know what they're doing, right? They know what settings to use. If there's sunlight coming in the windows, they can adapt for that, okay? Also, we want to focus on curb appeal for those exterior shots. Mow the lawn, tidy up the landscaping, get rid of the dead stuff, right? Pick up after your dog. Also, clean exterior features. Wipe down the cobwebs from around your front door or your light fixtures. Freshen up the paint on your front door. Maybe add some potted plants to really give it a fresh appeal. And also, you're going to want to highlight your home's unique features. Every home's going to have some things that really stand out and make it different. And you're going to want to showcase those areas. Maybe it's a large kitchen. Maybe it's a beautiful fenced-in backyard. Maybe you have a massive owner's suite. You definitely want to showcase those things in your photography. By capturing details that buyers love, you're going to make your property memorable as opposed to maybe the 50 others that are on the market. So really think about that when you're talking to your photographer and what you'd like to showcase in the home. Now, edit and review your photos for the best results. If I had a nickel for every time I pulled up a listing and I thought, did the seller look at these? Make sure that you're reviewing your listing and looking at those pictures. Make sure that your photographer is enhancing the lighting and the colors with editing software. They have access to all those tools. You want to ensure that your images are polished and professional. Again, I don't want to see your reflection in the mirror or your thumb over the camera lens when you took your iPhone photo, okay? And you definitely want to double check for accuracy and appeal in every one of those photos. Now, if you'd like to know more about how to showcase your home with professional photography, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all of our socials, and hit that like button down below. And obviously, you can click on the other boxes on your screen so you can see our other videos too. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them down below and I will make sure to answer all of those. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.